I did my PhD at Notre Dame, and the building where I did my work was named after Father Neuland. He was a great scientist, very humble person. The money from that patent paid half of the salaries of Notre Dame faculty. But Father Neuland never took any money. So I think this is an inspiration because, our success or our happiness comes from our character, not from the wealth we create, actually. I came to set up a pharmaceutical company because of my experience in Glaxo, but the people who would support have backed out. So then I was on my own.
You have a stable job in Bombay, you're doing really well. You have a successful career. You have 2 cars at your disposal, a nice company given home, your kids going to good schools, and then one day you decide that you want to shut all of that down, get on a train and move to Hyderabad and start a company. And I have no idea, I can't even imagine, but that's the risk that he took. Every time we spoke, there was this always underlying current about the importance of a value system, about being ethical. It was almost a very natural part of the conversation.
Many ways, what that did is it created a pure and unfiltered kind of value system within the organization. And that's because of Dr. Rao's far-sightedness in terms of what he wanted Neuland to achieve. And when you are pursuing this kind of a vision, it's very important that the values are aligned.
Chairman is always a very confident and a fearless person. Anytime you went to him, you never saw that trepidation, you never saw that feeling of doubt in him.
He has handled all the departments like sales, purchase, or operations, quality, production, R&D, going morning and sitting in the factory and working. I have not seen such a person who knows everything, and I have not seen a person like this in the industry.
I remember when he used to work for Glaxo in Bombay, apparently his Glaxo friends used to call him Hasmukh Rao because he used to smile all the time.
No matter what the external environment was, whether it was tough, whether it was happy, whether it was stressful, it didn't matter. The man always had a smile on his face.
I think there were a couple of instances where I found it very difficult to really keep my composure, and I had a challenging situation in front of me, and probably I might have given up at that point of time when there was a conversation, and I thought he will actually run off the handle, but he had that smiling countenance even at that time.
That I really remember all the time is his calmness, the way he conducts board meetings, the way he interacts with people. There is an inner peace in him.
Everyone around him draws their inspiration from that aspect of who he is as a person. And it's invaluable, is his ability to provide that freedom and space for people to do what they want to do.
You actually feel like you're his partner, and you also sometimes feel like you're leading him. And I think the greatest trait of any leader is to kind of give the impression to his people that he is also happy and comfortable to be led by his people.
Behind my dad definitely is my mom.
So my mother, Vijaya, has played a very important role indirectly in the success of Neuland.
It's important for every individual to take care of their family and their work. It can never be one or the other because it kind of leaks and impacts the other parts of life. And I think Mom has been that support.
We look back at the Neuland journey. I think it's hard to acknowledge that journey without acknowledging some of the sacrifices that Dr. Rao had made. He was so committed towards the success of Neuland, towards achieving his personal vision, which became Neuland's vision, that he sacrificed a lot in that process. And I think those sacrifices are what kind of led Neuland to its success today.
If I had to pick one big thing that Neuland's always gotten right, is that we always did what we said and we always said what we did.
We are celebrating the 40th year. My single tribute to him is, sir, your dream, we have brought your dream to fruition as much as we can, and it's our commitment that we'll take it to where you would like us to take it, into the big pharma club.
Neuland has reached the stage of takeoff. It's been doing extremely well over the last couple of years, and it really is poised for great things in the future.
You have to follow the procedures and systems and science 100%. 99% following is not enough. You have to follow 100%. All hurdles handled properly, they bring you success. That is the truth. Yeah. I always feel that I face so many problems. Without those problems, I would not be like this. I can't change the society, at least, if my own family, they adhere to values, and then we build an organization which adheres to value, I think we are able to spread the message. Today, probably, maybe we may have 1,000 people following the same value system. It has a great impact on the society. I think whatever we have gained in life is a result of a sacrifice made by so many people. It is time to give back to the society rather than aspiring for more what I can get from the society.